Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me DJI Mini 4K, and now I'm gonna show you how to prepare your quadcopter for sale. To do that, firstly you should click on the 3 buttons right up corner in the fly mode, then click about, scroll very down and click clear all data. It will remove data in aircraft, internal storage and CD card. If you have CD card inserted, please remove it because it will format it. Unblocking licenses. Aircraft, it will remove aircraft locks and other user data stored on the aircraft. It's not the factory reset, this is the hard reset. If you wanna just recover settings to the default, just click reset all settings. But if you wanna prepare your device for sale, just click clear here. Wait a while and go. It was successfully cleared. After a while, your aircraft will be disabled and you will shoot to enable it again. As you can see, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you